Okay, we made it up to the cabin.
Yes.
We are very excited. We just got everything in. We took everything out of the trailer. Towing the trailer up here was totally fine, but it's a very small trailer. But we are going to give you just an update of what we're doing on the cabin. We have a lot of stuff that we didn't have before. So let's go inside and give you guys an update. Okay, so we're at the base right next to our front door. Hold on. Right next to our front door, and we actually got the hot tub delivered, which we're super pumped about. We have a Ring camera on it right now, but it's not full of water. We just have to get it here, place it, and then they're gonna do the electrical for it. So that's the outside of it. As you can see right up here, it's kind of sunset, but let's see if I can get this. Okay, so right up here, we have basically a slope view, which will be great from the hot tub. And now that the sun's going down, we're not gonna have much light in the cabin. So what we're gonna do is I'm going to let April take it over as far as design goes, and we're gonna talk about the interior of the cabin and the updates that we have so far. So, April.
Okay, hurry.
Hurry.
Can you see? Welcome. There's been a lot of changes in here. We have gotten some new flooring. We brought up a whole bunch of stuff, so quickly come in because we really don't have any.
Yeah, no, here, go here first.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, we literally just lost all light.
We lost all of our light. Can you see anything?
Barely. Here, let's
Okay.
do this. Let's go Bible thing.
Like this.
Okay.
This is the living space. We've had a lot of changes since you last seen it. We got the new floors put in. They have made a lot of changes to the kitchen. Can you see it?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, you're good.
Okay. Since we were last up here, they put in countertops, all the cabinetry, our kitchen sink, the vent hood, and behind you we have all of our appliances in the boxes ready to go to be put in after everything is painted. And we have gotten the door delivered and the window that's going to be going over the kitchen sink. So starting tomorrow, they're going to be installing these. And then they're going to be working on staining the island, painting the cabinets, and putting in all the trim work since the floors are complete. I don't have a picture of the countertops because they got covered before we could see them. However, I might have posted something. I don't think I did, but anyway. Okay, so all of these all these cabinets on this side are going to be painted, paint grade. So stay tuned on the color on that. And then the island is going to be stained. So we still have to figure out the stain that we're going to do for that. And then the upper shelves will match the island stain. So we're excited about that.
Perfect.
Okay.
We just got windows and doors. You said that already, right?
Yep.
Window.
Oh, and then
door.
And then next what we're going to do is on Monday, in a couple of days, we're going to get our windows installed for the rest of the house. So we are going to be replacing the main slider here. All of these other windows are in good shape, so we're going to keep those. Up in the loft, there's a window that opens, and we're going to be replacing that.
We can go upstairs and talk about upstairs if you want.
Okay, well, let's just do that now.
Yeah.
Okay. Upstairs. Oh, it's so warm up here. It feels so good.
I know, it's nice.
Alright, so up here, they have primed all the walls. We're going to be painting all the side paneling. Decided just not to drywall it because paneling's kind of cabiny and it's going to be painted anyway, so why not? We're going to be replacing this window, the sliding window. So we're going to be doing that and then retrimming that out possibly.
Yeah.
And then definitely deep cleaning the windows.
What
Is this
about
one staying?
changing the light out?
No, we're not changing that out. We're going to keep it just like that. We're probably going to be changing the light out. This one was a track light that was placed on the beam. We might get something similar to that just so it's kind of hidden and not in your headspace.
Yeah.
Okay?
Cool.
Do you wanna
Floors look good.
Yeah, floors look good up here. And then we're thinking about maybe installing a railing. I don't know, maybe not. Kind of living on the edge.
Yeah.
What do you guys think?
Yeah, see how many people fall over the edge.
Stay tuned to that.
Cool.
Okay.
And then right here, hanging down.
You want to say that? Or
You can do it.
Okay. I don't like standing on the edge, but
Okay, go ahead.
so I'm holding on. I don't like the edge. We're going to be doing a hanging light that's going to be coming to this point of the beam. If it hangs too high, it's in the way of the window. If it hangs too low, it's going to be blocking that window as well. So we found one that fits perfectly here. And our contractor is going to put the box right in between this beam and hang it over the center of the living space.
Yep, perfect. Bathroom?
Bathroom. So this is the hallway. This is the wall that we don't like. This is the wall we don't know what to do with.
Awful.
This is the wall. If this was not here, it'd be fine. But with this random door that goes to something that we need to get into. So stay tuned for some ideas because we have no idea what to do with this wall.
This is an access panel for our HVAC system, and our HVAC system is actually just a H system because there's no AC. This is just the heating system. But the good thing, is that it is central heating, which is perfect because then we have ducts that are running into the master and ducts that are running ducts that are running up on top, and they shoot the hot air out onto the living space, which is perfect. So, primary bedroom?
Sure. Or hallway bathroom, whatever.
Oh, do you want to do hallway bathroom?
Okay.
Let's do hallway bathroom.
That's it. Now on to the primary. I am standing where the king size bed will be, where it's going to be centered underneath this center beam. We are going to be replacing the window in here, so it's going to be a completely brand new window, nice, clear, clean, new screens. And I mean, look at that view. You get that mountain view, you get the hot tub. It's going to be amazing. On this wall, again, we have a little bit more paneling, and instead of completely ripping it all out and drywalling it out, we're just gonna paint it the same color as the walls. It'll blend, and we're gonna get all new doors. We have 2 closets, and then we have the bathroom, and they're all gonna get all new door jambs, all new doors, and be all similar. I don't know what to do in here. There's no light.
I can make light.
Okay. And then this is the bathroom that is off of the bedroom.
Ready? This is the iPhone light.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, that's so creepy.
So, welcome to our dungeon. Gosh. I can be hanging mine. I am very excited because I still have yet to see exactly what this tile looks like in here because there is absolutely no light. And the sun is not on this side of the mountain and this side of the house. Nope. So, we are going to get a custom glass in here. They're going to come in, measure, and install. And we're going to insert the toilet here and the vanity here. And we're just kind of trying to figure out where the towel hooks are going to go, the storage items, all that stuff in here.
The light is so creepy.
I don't mind. It's a little creepy. In this closet, we are going to install a washer dryer. There was no washer and dryer in this house, so we wanted that for ourselves and for future guests. So,
another tiny room.
Another tiny room with no light. I don't think this one works.
Wait, let me get mine.
Okay.
Might get a spotlight.
All right.
Oh yeah.
So another tiny room, no lights right now, so bear with us. We're gonna have a stacking washer dryer on this side, and once that goes in, we'll kind of figure out how much space we have left to. This would just be like a utility closet for our guests to use, vacuum, broom, any other cleaning supplies that they want to use, extra towels maybe. Yeah, that's kind of what we're doing in here, in the little space that we have.
Perfect.
Do you want to talk about the stairs?
Sure.
Okay, because you know more.
It's on already.
Okay.
Okay, ready?
Ready, go.
Okay, so one of the last things before we end this is the stairs. This like beige carpet looks awful. So I think what we're gonna do is tear off all the carpet. There's screws that go in and just basically screw into a piece of plywood. So we're gonna take those off. We're gonna CNC probably just the same shape of the stairs as this piece of metal, and then it's gonna be all wood. And so we're just gonna get a nice like piece of wood, stain it, and then when we stain it, we're actually gonna put like sand in it so that it has grip, so that when you're actually going up the stairs, you don't like slip and fall. Because especially in an Airbnb or a rental, you definitely don't want people falling down the stairs. So we're gonna put a little bit of sand in there, and a little bit of grit so that they can actually put their foot on top of something and kind of grip it. So that's what we're gonna do with the stairs. The stairs are gonna be all black, so they're gonna repaint all of the pickets. They just added them. So they're repainting all the pickets, repainting the handrails. I think that's it. That's it for the stairs and pretty much everything. Oh, you can see the sunset over the lake.
See the lake. Wow.
Ooh, that's blown out.
I mean, I know I'm pale, but okay.
Better? Okay, that's it, guys. That's just an update. Okay, guys, that's just the update. This is the third update. Hopefully we have one more before the final reveal. We are super pumped. Like we're getting to the finish line. And so I think just getting to that finish line and getting close is really making us pretty excited. We are up here, and if you're wondering where the boys are, they're in the car watching a movie. Quietly. So yeah, just stay tuned. If you guys like this, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, consider doing so. We would love to have you on board. And we'll see you guys
on the next one.
On the next one.
Cut that out.
See ya. Bye.